Okay, guys, so let's do our first scenario, and that one is again it is, let me make sure, all digital. It's all digital. It is not a 5 off 25. I have not started doing them, but I promise you, starting in January, well, it will be the first when this video come out. But I will start doing digitals. But for me, if it's not worth it for me, I'm not going to do it for everybody else because I don't think that's right. So let's get going with our first digital. Okay, the first one, we will be getting one game pod. And this is my favorite right here, so I grabbed a fling. And this one is at $4.50, but it's actually $3.95, okay? Okay, then the next deal we're gonna do is Purex at $1.95, and we have a dollar off coupon making these 95 cents, guys. Don't forget to grab your Purex. And then we're gonna grab one Swabatail at $2.50, and we got a dollar off coupon. I don't think that's it. I think I'm looking for the small. Well, anyway, if this is it, it's at $2.50. But I don't think this is, but we'll try and see. I'll let you guys know if this is. But we got a dollar off coupon, making this $1.50. Okay, let's go to the Crest toothpaste. One Crest toothpaste at $2. Okay, so you're gonna get the one Crest toothpaste at $2. That's the coupon makes it free. Swabatail, this is at $2.50. It's a dollar coupon, make this $1.50. Gang Flings is at $3.95. You got a dollar off coupon, making it $2.95. The Purex is $1.95. They gave you a dollar off coupon, making that 95 cents. Altogether, you should be between $5.40 and $6.40. You know, I give you a leeway because at my place, I live in Illinois, everything is very expensive. So let me show you the coupons for that deal, okay? Okay, you got the $2 off of Crest, making those free. The $2 off the Purex, a dollar off Purex, a dollar off the Gain. And also, guys, you could, this is attaching to any game. It is either $1 or it's $2. You could try either or. And a dollar off the Swabatail. Yes, that is the correct one. 41.5 ounce. So that is the correct. Okay. So all together, I should be paying $5.40 to $5.80 out of pocket for this. Okay. That's a great deal. That's the first deal. And let's go to our next one. Okay, we're going to get an Airwick at $3.50. And what kind of Airwick is this? This is Reaches Everyone. This is called Vanilla and Pink Papaya. So we're going to get an Airwick. One small Palmolive. We're going to get one Homeline bleach for $2. It's a smaller bleach. It's 1.34 quart. So you get that. And we're going to grab one Purex at $1.95. They're giving us a dollar, also 95 cents. Don't forget your $2 toothpaste for free because you clip the $2 coupon. And you're going to get the Airwick, which is $1.50 off. So it'll leave you at $1.35. And then they're going to one Palmolive for $1. This is what you should have in that next deal. This is how it should look, okay? Okay, so for those products, you should be paying $5.30 out of pocket. Another great deal. Digitals and some no coupon, but it's still a great deal, guys. Okay, we're gonna grab two big Vapor Cools at $2 each. Okay, so let's grab one Palmolive at $3, make at $2.50, at $2.75, take away 50 cents. So making this $2.25, okay? And that coupon only attached to like the bigger sizes, the ones that's $3. So that's why you see me grabbing this one. Then we're gonna grab one Purex with that at $1.95. But remember, we got a dollar off coupon. Two big Vapor Cools at $2, but we have a $1.50 coupon for each one, making each one of these 50 cents each. One Swabatail at $2.50, but we got a dollar off coupon, making this $1.50. One Crest with a $2 off coupon. They cost $2, so these are free. So this is your deal right here. After you finish with all the coupons, the $2 off, the $1.50 off, the 50 cent off, the $1.50 off each one of these, and a dollar off of these, you should be paying between $5.15 and $5.80 out of pocket, okay? It should be a little more if you added one of these on too. Now, if you want to just do this all digital without this paper, because this is paper out of the P&G, and I will show you that coupon, then you will be paying $4 $4.90 to $5 out of pocket for this deal. Great deal, right? Okay, guys, I want to give you good deals for Family Dollar because I hear so many people griping about Family Dollar that they don't like the deal. Okay. Now I have a bonus deal that you guys could do. Now when I tell you these are bonus deals, some of the deals, make sure you look at them because they are due if you want to do. If you don't want to do the deal, don't do it. But don't drop me no message because I will block you. You drop me something crazy, I'll block you. Because that's why I let you know it's a glitch or it's a bonus do at your own risk deal. That's what it is, okay? Okay, the game deal, you're going to grab one game liquid, one game pod. I'll go ahead and grab 2 game pods. Okay, see that? Use the $3 game coupon. It works on all 3 of them. And if she lets you do it all at one time, this deal will come out to $2.85. So, like I said, it's a bonus deal. Do it if you want to. Of course, I have already done the deal, so I don't have any more coupons left. But I don't show you deals unless I've done the deal, okay? I'm not going to show you a deal if I have not done the deal. I'm not going to show you this bleach if I have not done the bleach deal. All the deals that I'm showing you, I've done or I've tried in the past or they work, okay? Now let's go and look at their clearance deals. They have some clearances, 50% off to 75% off. So let's go do that deal. And it's supposed to be pretty good. Oh, look, they disinfectant wipes is a limit of 2. They got a lot of nerve. Okay, coupon for this. You guys know that. Let me show you a couple of coupons. Stay to the end because there's some coupons I'm going to show you that you could use if you want to use them. So this is the stuff that's on clearance from Christmas. Okay. But they ain't got no prices on their stuff. They said 60, 50 to 75% off. Oh, here it is. That's Valentine's Day. Look at that. They got it out already. But here it is right here. So they got all of these. This is 50% off. I don't know what's 75% off. I don't see that at all. Got candy. Bags. That's cute. Now that's $1.50. Because it's $2, $1.25. Candy, empty tins. That's their candy canes. Okay. Little trucks. Oh, here. Oh my God, I need him. It's $4. It's $4 because it's 8. I want to get him. Okay, these is 50% off too. I think they were okay, so they're $1.50. Okay, they need to go down some more. And here is some more Christmas stuff on sale. A cup. That's $1.50. I know people that do those cups. Okay. I wonder how much this is. If it's attached to that $5 coupon, it might. Okay, the snuggle. So that means this is 50 cents. Because those are $1. That renews it. What about these glades? And y'all know what? I love this snail. I love that. Every now and again we get them, but they're not something we always get. Okay. Okay. I was trying to walk down a clearance aisle, but I'm in a different Family Dollar. I'm in a different one. I'm waiting for my cousin to tell me if that coupon work on this or not. But they diapers too high anyway. I wouldn't use that on it. Because what? DG's is $6.50 and Walmart is the best price. And theirs is at $4.97. So that $3 coupon put you at $1.97 for a pack of Pampers. Yeah, that's the better deal. Always shop around and see what your better deal is. So let me tell you some coupons that work. Okay, the $5 off Febreze attaches just like it's doing in the Dollar General to any Febreze. Make sure you get the one that's for $3. But I'm gonna tell you something, get it up to 5 because it does not give you overage. Family Dollar does not give overage. The $3 off of Pampers and the P&G is attaching to the Pampers wipes. The $3 off Tide and the P&G is attaching to the Febreze small spaces. Of course, the $3 off of 2 U Kotex pads is attaching to the Kleenex, and it's also, you can get the 2 pads, the 2 $1 U Kotex pads. Okay, guys, I did it. We done this deal. Y'all gotta go do this deal. Do it, do it, do it. Okay. You know, you got the $1.50 off of those, each one, the $1 off this, the $1 off that, 50 cents off that, and this is free, right? Let's see what this, let me fix my receipt, because I don't want nobody to be calling no stores on me. And that's really why I don't show the receipt anymore. I didn't tell y'all that story, did I? That somebody was called, asked me what store that was, because they wanted to see if they had the products because they lived in my area. Are you nuts? No, ma'am. So, here it is right here. Woo! Yes, guys. $5.70. Now, let me tell you. This $5.70, I'm going to leave these in here, because I can sell this to a bachelor. If I sell this to a bachelor, I'm going to get $12 for it. So I'm going to make way more than what, and I throw in another Purex, because that ain't number 95 cents. I'll throw in another Purex, but I'm going to get 12, and if I keep throwing in stuff, I could get up to $15 for this. So yes, guys, it's well worth it if you could go ahead on and do these deals. And Family Dollar, I hope you all enjoyed these videos. Hey, let me know if you did. I'll keep them coming. Thank you. Bye.